I'm Nurad and you're watching Rockstar Production. I'm Indian and I know it.
Let's keep going. How do you do it?
Stopped. Time is stopped. I mean, life in the sun takes 8 minutes to observe. It's going really fast, but it's not necessarily stopped. So the speed of light might actually be like this. Show me what the speed of light would be on here. But remember, time is moving now. Time is moving, so it wouldn't always be moving straight up. Moving backwards. Don't you think maybe like this? Maybe not slightly straight.
Can I join? Yeah.
Okay, do another one. Erase your keep your axes, but erase your titles on your axes.
Come on, Pen.
Okay, I want you guys to write a story with this. Okay. So this is time, this is distance. I want you guys to make a graph of you leaving your house, going to the grocery store, and coming back. What would that look like? No, with a line. Imagine you leave your house, imagine you start from your house, but the distance, how is the distance going to look, and the time going to look? If you leave your house and go to the grocery store. Interesting. What can you describe about this segment?
How do you know that? Take a picture of a guy who's
That's like the ghost from Pac-Man.
This guy's tired. I'm like, you're making so much money.
Nobody wants to do this.
It's recording anyway. Yeah. Oh, I record that night. Oh, she's recording that. Who's recording? And then you do. Oh wait. Did you just record that? See, you just told me. Did you just record that? Just read it. It's just right here. He's recording you drawing that. Yeah. No. You know what's let me just. It's kind of cute. Then walks back to the it's not recording. I know. I wonder if I can keep this. Guys, I want this money. It's 5 bags.
Hi, my name's Kate and Sumi. And so today we'll teach you how to match a situation with a graph.
A rabbit sits in a yard, it hops across the yard, it stops when it sees something move. Then it runs across the yard and darts into some shrub and stays there.
So we're going to be corresponding a graph to a situation. So we will look at this graph right here. It says that a rabbit sits in the yard, so it stays at point 0. Then it hops across the yard, so it moves up a little bit, and it stays stable. Then it says it stops when it sees something move, so it goes back down to point 0. Then it runs or darts across the yard, so it shoots up, and it darts into some shrub, so it stays stable. Then it goes down and stays there, so it turns back to point 0. So this graph is the one which will be corresponding to the situation. So it's animal.
type of disc.
Hi, my name is Natalie and I'll be teaching you how to solve this problem. So a pig sits in the mud, then chases after another pig. It then walks back to the mud puddle and sits down. So animal 3 sits in the puddle, it sits in the mud, and then it chases after another pig, but then it stops. But in the question here, it says it chases another pig, it then walks back to the mud puddle, so this one is not correct. And the second one sits in the mud, then chases after another pig, but then it stopped too, so it's not correct. So this one is correct. Let's see. It sits in the mud, then chases, and then it sits. Then it chases after another pig. It then walks back to the mud puddle, and then it sits down. So the answer should be animal 1.
I like how there's more choices and the recording at the end.
Cool. Second.
Variety, but at the end I feel like I have to do the video thing, but I don't like the talking.
You don't like talking? Okay.
Yeah, I don't like to show it like a project.
Okay. David?
I don't like the video.
No? Okay. Did you do it?
No.
Oh. Okay. And something that you liked about it, working with stations today?
Open-ended.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh, I like that there's choices that you could do, yeah. And what I don't like about it is there's too much choices.
Something you liked and something maybe you didn't like about math stations?
I like it because it improves you more at this unit, because you have to review, and then you can do independent practice, and then you can practice more, because I think it helps you more.
Okay. Jonathan?
I think it's more free. Like everybody goes to if they feel they're weak, they can go weak at this spot. They can go to review, and if they're not, they can just go to that recording thing to help others. But what I don't like it about like just this session was that some people didn't really help that much.
Okay. Interesting.
Like partners, they didn't help much.
Okay. Nira?
What I liked about it was that we get to choose choices, and the thing I didn't like about it is that I still don't get it.
It kind of gives you more freedom to do things, but then sometimes you need a limit to continue, so then there's no limit.